Railway Minister there in a never-before-seen avatar in an aggressive manner loses his cool, counters opposition's attacks regarding railway safety, and now Congress has responded to Ashwini Vaishnav's attack. Congress is saying that it is not defense but arrogance that is reflected in Ashwini Vaishnav's statements made on the floor of the House today.
बड़े दुर्भाग्य की बात है कि जो रेल मंत्री जी हैं उन्होंने सदन में जवाब देते हुए कहा कि रील बनाने वाले एक सदस्य वो कैसे बात कर रहे हैं, जिनकी जिम्मेदारी रेल बिछाने की हो और जिन्होंने 1 इंच भी रेल ना बिछाई हो। हरियाणा जैसे प्रदेश में हम मांग रहे हैं रेल, 3 रेल की लाइन हमारी मंजूर है, 1 इंच भी रेल की लाइन नहीं बिछी पिछले 10 वर्षों में। जिन्होंने रेल ना बिछाई हो, जिन्होंने रेल ना चलवाई हो, वो रील की बात कर रहे हैं। ये मंत्री जी का जो आज वक्तव्य था वो अहंकार का प्रतीक था, हम निंदा करते हैं।
बीजेपी मंत्रियों के द्वारा ये परंपरा देख रहे हैं कि अपनी विफलताओं के लिए वे नैतिक जिम्मेवारी नहीं लेते और आरोप डालते हैं इतिहास पर। पिछले 2 महीनों के अंदर लगभग 4 मालगाड़ी डिरेल हो चुके हैं, तो लगभग 2 महीनों के अंदर 4 मालगाड़ी डिरेल हुए, लगभग 14 भारतीय नागरिकों की मृत्यु हुई और लगभग 70 लाख लोग घायल हुए। इसके पश्चात भी आज रेलवे मंत्री ने किसी भी प्रकार का नैतिक जिम्मेवारी नहीं ली।
Rishabh, while speaking on the floor of the House, Ashwini Vaishnav cited a lot of historical data also to show that their track record has been much better when it comes to railway safety. He also said that every single accident is one too many. Has he been able to absolve himself? Opposition certainly doesn't think so.
Well, definitely. The face that we saw, the rail minister that we saw on the floor of the House today was something which was very uncommon. We haven't seen rail minister losing his cool this way in past, but today on the floor of the House when he started speaking, there have been a lot of arguments and counter-arguments regarding the railway when it was being discussed. Remember, the grants from the Ministry of Railway is being discussed in the House, and while replying to the arguments that have been put forward by the opposition party during the discussion, rail minister was responding to them, and while responding to them there were arguments coming in from the opposition benches as well, and that's when rail minister lost his cool, and where he went on to say that people who haven't been able to put ATP for even 1 kilometer in the 58 years of their rule are questioning today us who have started working on ATP nationwide. Remember, on the day of budget as well, Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav came up with the whole track record of how the Kavach system is being installed and where all it's being done on priority, and how in near future we'll have a railway which is secured by the Kavach system. And when we say Kavach system, it's not just a device. This is what the rail minister said. It is the whole system that is put in place to ensure that the collisions on a railway track can be stopped. Today, Ashwini Vaishnav, while responding, lost his cool and attacked the opposition party, saying that people who haven't worked for railway is trying to malign the image of railway in the country.
He also made a very important statement. He said that Congress is trying to instill fear in the hearts of passengers. He said there are 2 crore railway passengers every day that take the train route, and Congress is trying to spread lies and using that tool instill fear. However, Rishabh, one cannot deny that in just the last 2 months there have been close to 21 lives lost in 10 rail accidents across the country. So whatever historical data and disadvantages the minister might cite, the final accountability does lie with him right now. But we've got more reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
सर, रेल मिनिस्टर अश्विनी वैष्णव को टारगेट जिस तरीके से कांग्रेस ने किया है और कहा है कि वो रेल मिनिस्टर हैं, कैसे देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे इस वक्तव्य को कांग्रेस के?
ये तो ऑपोजिशन का काम है, ऑपोजिशन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसमें कोई तथ्य नहीं है। जिस तरह से रेल की सुधारणा वो
रेल को सामान्य जनता को प्रवास सुखकर हो, इसलिए जो कुछ सुविधाएं दी है वो रेल मंत्रालय कई सही सालों से आज दे रही है। और हमारे रेल मंत्री जिस तरह से प्रयास कर रहे हैं, मैं इसकी सराहना करता हूं, उनको धन्यवाद देता हूं। इसी तरह से विपक्ष कुछ भी बोले, लेकिन जिस तरह से वो काम कर रहा है ये गरीब समाज सभी की हित में है और मैं उसको बधाई दूं।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। रेल मिनिस्टर
All right, so you heard their reactions coming in. Rishabh, like I was saying, there is a lot more explaining that the government still needs to do about the spate and accidents.
Well, definitely. See, the way there have been a lot of passenger trains that have met accident, there have been derailments. Be it the one that happened in Uttar Pradesh, the one that happened in Jharkhand. No one has forgotten the Balasore train tragedy, or for that matter, there have been one in North Bengal as well, and near Siliguri. The way there have been train accidents, there are a lot of answers that the government need to be giving to come clean on these rail accidents. But definitely the way the war of words we saw on the floor of the House between opposition and rail minister, or for that matter outside Parliament at the Makar Dwar, the way opposition leaders as well as the BJP leaders have reacted to this whole war of words inside the House showcases that the politics is being done on this issue. But while the accountability is still not being fixed, a lot of answers need to be given by the government why the system has failed to detect the loopholes and to fix the issues that lead to derailment or accident.
So another analogy that was drawn, there is an attack that Railways Minister often faces, is that of being a real minister. Opposition has been saying that Ashwini Vaishnav focuses less on railway safety, more on making videos about himself, doing inspections, etc. Today, Ashwini Vaishnav responded to that word for word as well.
Well, definitely, this reel minister is something that has been an opposition jibe, be it on the reels that are quite often seen on social media about the Vande Bharat Express or Vande Bharat trains that are being launched in various parts of the country, the scenic view in the Western Ghats where the trains are being launched, or for that matter, reels on the Jammu Kashmir rail link, or for that matter, the inspections on various stations that have come on social media. Opposition say that the whole machinery is to work for the imagery of the railway minister and his personal image, instead of bringing in issues that are actually needs to be addressed, is what the opposition have been saying. And word by word today, the railway minister was also replying to opposition party. While replying to the real minister jibe, he actually lost his cool as well on the floor of the House. We did meet the minister outside the House as well. The way he feels, and the sources within the railway ministry suggest that the opposition, this is what the minister or the ministry feel, that opposition is trying to malign the image of railway using these train accidents. But definitely, while the war of words, the politics around this is happening, the answers are still not there. Why are these accidents happening? There have been 13 railway accidents since the beginning of this year, including derailment of passenger trains as well as the goods trains. As of now, every time there are
and
answers.
And this real attack is something that is not going to be easy for the union minister to shed off, because taking off from what the Congress party has said, now we are getting reactions coming from